More recent additions to the healthcare range have been two products specifically developed to combat the potentially harmful effects of mobile and cordless telephones, and much of the electro-pollution that surrounds us all in today's modern electronic world. Biophone and BioGuard were only introduced after a thorough 18-month scientific study. Customers' results since then have fully endorsed that study, and a more recent clinical trial conducted by renowned Norwegian scientist Dr. Bjorn Overbye has only served to reinforce the effectiveness of these remarkable products.
When I first heard about the Biophone, I was skeptical and I thought, this is just another gadget, another bluff on the market. But when I was invited to join the Biophone project, I was amazed by the results. So, during our research, we used a number of volunteers who had experienced problems when using their phones. And our test used a very advanced German device called the Mora Super Bioresonance machine, which allows us to measure the radio signals which your cells in the body use to communicate with each other. Each volunteer was then first measured without a mobile phone for the baseline. Then a second measurement was taken as they used the mobile phones, and finally measurements was taken as they used the mobile phone, but this time with a Biophone fitted to the phone. The results were amazing, I must say. It demonstrated that using a mobile phone created disharmony in the body's natural cell frequencies. But by the simple addition of a Biophone, harmony was restored. This encouraged us to do a variety of further tests, and we were astonished to discover that even when the technology was applied to the body, and not just to the phone, the very same improvements were found. So, we drew the conclusion that the Biophone is actually protecting the body, it's not changing the way the phones operate. So I look forward to the possibility of continuing this fascinating research, and in the meantime I have no hesitation in confirming that the use of these products can help the body protect itself against much of the harmful radiation created by today's modern world.
Since their release, both products have made a tremendous difference to many people's lives.